Managing your workforce has never been easier. Using our HR analytics solutions built on Microsoft Power BI can help you deal with employee information in simple and effective manner through a user-friendly and automated reporting environment. The summary dashboard shows the holistic view of employee summary, such as total number of employees, total number of active and separation employees, count of employees by gender, actives and separation trends, employee count by department, total employees by recruitment source, state-wise departments. If you look at the total employees by recruitment source, Indeed is the top recruitment agency where maximum number of employees are sourced. Now, if you want to further investigate the details of recruitment agency, hover your mouse on the agency name and drill through recruitment source page. The recruitment source page gives a detailed view of employee count by age, performance score by recruitment source by gender, employee count, separations, and actives by recruitment source. If you hover your mouse on recruitment source by gender, you can notice Indeed has sourced more female employees than male employees. Department summary page gives the overview of performance by department, gender-wise department ratio, managers with their respective departments, employee satisfaction by department. If you want to further investigate the details of a specific department, hover your mouse on the employee performance by department, where performance score value is fully meets, and drill through active and separation summary. Active and separation summary page helps you to make detailed analysis of active and separated employees based on gender, race, and reasons for separation. For instance, in the chat, active by race, you can see most active employees are whites. The second most active employees are African Americans. For instance, if you look at active by gender, there are greater number of female employees than male employees. Reports like this help HR teams set goals, measure success, and optimize process so the company can focus on employee satisfaction. When used responsibly and effectively, HR analytics provides the insights company need to tackle difficult challenges like lack of diversity or a high attrition rate.